Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You first confirm the file format because that determines parsing rules and available features. Once done, make a quick backup or commit so you can revert if needed. Then open the file in an editor that highlights syntax and shows line numbers. This helps you spot missing commas or indentation issues. As you work, keep the application docs handy to match option names and default values so you avoid typos that produce runtime errors. You now edit the main sections that affect behavior, like server, database, and logging, because changing peripheral flags first can be misleading. Make adjustments using the correct data types. For example, use true/false not strings for booleans, and explain why. Type mismatches cause silent failures. After making changes, run a linter or parser to validate syntax so you catch missing commas or misindented blocks quickly. This saves time when you reload the application. You finish by applying the changes. Restart or hot reload the service depending on the system, because only then will new settings take effect. Afterward, verify success by checking logs and health endpoints for errors or unexpected warnings, and confirm features behave as intended. Make sure to document what you changed and keep the backup handy so you can roll back quickly. If something breaks, check recent edits and syntax first. Most issues are missing commas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.